Let me ask you something honest. How many times have you lost a trade and immediately blame the market? The market altered your stop loss. The market is manipulated. The market reversed right after you enter. That rings a bell. It sounds familiar. I've said all these things as well. But here is what nobody wants to hear. The market is not your enemy. Your mind is. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly why your mind is destroying your trade and 5 things you can start doing today to fix it. So watch to the very end because the 5 solutions I'm sharing with you changed how I approach every single trading section. Hi traders, my name is John and welcome to BoomCrash Academy. Your state of mind determines everything about how you trade. But before I proceed, if you're new on this channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on every upload on this channel. Thank you. So as I was saying, your state of mind determines everything about how you trade, not your strategy, not your indicators, not your entry point whatsoever. Your mind is the determinant. Now, let me prove it to you with 2 real examples. The first example is fear. You had the money rolling, you found your account, and you're set to trade. You open your chart, and all of a sudden, something feels off. You are nervous, you are unsure, you are unsure, but you trade anyways because the main purpose on your account is to make money in trade. But the whole time while you are trading, your mind is thinking and already judging what will happen in the market. This thing will go against me. And what happened? The market goes against you. Now the question is, did the market do that? Or your fear let you size your position wrongly? Or your fear let you enter at the wrong time? Or your fear let you exit too early due to panic? Your mind is the creator of this outcome and not the market. The second example is desperation. You are desperate. You need money. Your bills are due and you are under pressure. You open your chart not to trade, but to survive. And in this stage, your mind is no longer taking in probabilities and setup or any analysis whatsoever. It's thinking about food, rent, your bills, and about prayer. And in this state of mind, you overtrade. You move your stop loss. You hold losing positions too long, hoping they will turn around. And what happened? You blow the account. Boom! The market did not blow the account. Your desperation did. You see, poverty is the disease that kills trading accounts even before the market gets a chance. I know this personally and I know this for free. Most traders do. And even you that you are watching, you do. I go lie for you, you do. But understanding it is the first step of fixing it, which brings us to 5 solutions of fixing it. So here are the 5 things you can start doing today. Number 1, the 24 hours rule. So any day you wake up financially stressed and emotionally unstable, don't open the chart for that day. Why? Because your trade will be emotional and not logical. So the market will always be there for you anytime you want to trade tomorrow. But if you trade today, your account might not be available The second thing you can start doing today is separate your trading money from your survival money. Very important. Never trade with money you need for food, for bills, or for your transport. The moment survival sets in, you shift from being a trader to a desperate person. Remember our second example, desperation. So set up a small amount for your trading account which is not connected to any of your daily needs. And once you do this, everything changes. The third thing you can start doing today is having a pre-trade mental checklist. This is also important. So before any trading section, ask yourself these three questions. 1. Am I trading because I desperately need money? Am I fearful or anxious right now? Third one, can I accept losing this trade without ruining my day? If your answer is yes to the first two, do not trade. If your answer is no to the third question, do not trade. This is powerful and so much effective. And with this, life is easy. So the first solution is think in probabilities and not certainties. Once you accept trade, being uncertain, no single trade defines you and no single loss destroys you. Every single trade is just one out of many. So once you remove the emotional attachment and weight from every individual trade, the mind becomes clearer immediately. Before we head on to the fifth solution, like this video and we love to hear your opinion out of these 5 solutions. What other solution do you have for us? Share that with us in the comment section. And the fifth solution is journal your mental state. For those that love keeping diary, we love this. So before every trade, write down how you feel in that moment, and over time you'll see a clear pattern. Your worst losses happen on your worst mental days, and your best trades happen on your best mental trades. The data doesn't lie. Once you notice this pattern, you'll never ignore it again. Co-traders, the market has been here before you and it will be here after you. It doesn't care about your bills, it doesn't care about your fear, and it doesn't respond to desperation, but it does reward discipline, patience, and clear mind. And that is what this channel is about. Not just strategy, not just setup, not just analysis. Complete trader, mind, risk, methodology combined. In the next psychology video, we are going deeper on how your beliefs about money are silently controlling all your decisions you make at the start. So subscribe so you don't miss it, and give the video a thumbs up, and also share with your traders friend. And don't forget, I want to hear from you in the comment section. And if you're ready to go deeper, you want to trade with structure, you want to trade with discipline and real-time guidance, my community is widely open. The link is in the description. I am John and this is BoomCrash Academy. Stay disciplined, stay profitable. Stay disciplined, stay profitable. I'll see you soon.